here we are, folks. This is Shop Street. Let's see what shops are on Shop Street. We have a musician playing on Shop Street. Let's go this way and see what we see. It's an overcast day. It's about 70 degrees. Not too bad.
How are we going to time? That's a good idea.
What?
This.
You can control the camera.
You're showing someone around.
I am.
Are you making a video?
I do tours. Yes, I am.
Great
Let me give
idea.
you my card.
Wow.
Gary's Tours.
Gary's Tours. Lovely.
On YouTube.
We'll have a look.
What's your name?
Carol.
Carol? What's your deal? Well, you'll see yourself on YouTube probably in August.
Oh, in August. Okay.
Nice meeting you. There's Pandora. This is Castle Street. These are the streets that are closed to driving and have been turned into, just like in Dublin, a shopping mall. Most of Europe is going this way now. This is Sunday and drugstores are open here. They have a Skechers store. Now we're going to turn around because there's cars out there. We don't like cars. They have Krispy Kreme donuts if you like Krispy Kreme donuts.
Nice to meet you. I will definitely go there.
Spray painting.
I have to spot out where and how big.
Big gun stores, they sell everything. There's a field store. There's a guy playing bouncing ball. For donations. Reminds me a little of Miami. Vodafone. My earbuds went, and I wanted new earbuds. They broke, so I ordered them from Amazon. I'm getting 2-day delivery from Amazon UK. I haven't opened an Amazon IE site yet, but I think they're working on it. So 2 days is back. Now this is the intersection of Applegate Street Lower and Shop Street. Let's take a look at Applegate Street Lower. It has lots of people on it, that's for sure. Sweater shop, we ship worldwide. Phone City, gents haircutting. And now we're back to cars again. Okay. Alex's Phone Fest. And here's another Youth Street in Colony. Alright, let's go back and see where the rest of that Shop Street takes us to. Eventually, it'll probably take us someplace for lunch. I would say. She's getting bacon and pancakes for lunch. This is Lynch's Castle. It's where Lynch lived. Lynch had two sons. One was adopted and one was his own natural-born son. As the story goes, the natural-born son killed the adopted son. Sounds a little like Cain and Abel. So Lynch lynched him and killed him, his own son. That's how we got the term being lynched. Came right here from Galway. He did that a long time ago, I'm told. There's McDonald's. There's a pharmacy. A lot of street performers out today. This is a Sunday afternoon, overcast, but partly sunny. The sun comes out occasionally. Not all the time. This is the gentleman drummer singing a cappella. Singing a cappella. Anthony Ryan's Total Health Pharmacy. Now we have streets. So we're dividing off into another street. Let's see what that street takes us to. Now here's a street decorated with the Irish flag. What street could this be?
Maybe we just like you could only make me somewhere in Europe tonight.
And Murphy's Made in Dingle ice cream. This, I believe, is Market Street.
They have a list right
The
outside.
home restaurants. Love to join them for Guinness, but I have a 3-hour ride home. It would make the Garter happy if I had even one Guinness. But I will stop somewhere for lunch, perhaps, after we conclude our video of Market Street. Lots of people. I thought there might be more college students here. Maybe college is over. I'm not sure. It's the middle of May. Today is May 12th, Mother's Day in the U.S.
If you notice outside, just go over here.
Irish people are so friendly and so nice and so polite and respectful. It's absolutely amazing to me. This is K Street, Q-U-A-Y Street. Here we're going down, and across the street is Cross Street Upper. Okay. A lot of action here today. A lot of people in Galway. As you know, I'm thinking of moving to Ireland. And so many people have suggested, well, check out Galway before you make a final decision as to where you want to live. And it does seem interesting to me. It's bigger than Killarney. So far, Killarney is still number one on my list. And this place is nice, but it's almost too many people for me. These are all great looking restaurants here. Fitzgerald's traditional Irish bar. It's a little chilly today in here. Let's look at some of the menus. Baked cod and chips is 14 euros. Bottle of water is €1.90. Fish soup and bread, €6.40. And they have salmon, hake, cod, lots of fish, and they have chicken snack box. Now let's see what the other restaurants have here. At the end of this street, we have Weavers of Ireland's store and Aryan Weavers, not Aryan. And this place has mussels for $14. That looks attractive to me. Sourdough toasty. Sea bass for €15. Battered fish, vegetarian burger. Sides, fries, gluten-free. Ribeye.
Yeah. You guys got us tonight. We went.
No, they're college guys. They have that college guy look and feel. White bites. Soup of the day. Kelly's mussels. Served in a Thai lemon broth. And desserts. Goat cheese salad. Onion rings. There are lots of light snacks to eat here. Salmon cake. Plus a drink. What kind of drink do they have? We have Fitzgerald's Irish bar. You can tell I'm getting hungry. Doing videos always makes me hungry. Where's Fitzgerald's look? Go ahead, you can look. Look at me. Chicken soup. I've heard the mussels are very good around here. Mussels are very available. Mussels are supposed to be very good around here. I like mussels. I may try mussels. Garlic chips and brown bread. Mussels, $17.50. Drunken mussels. What do we have here? Freddy's.
For a harder job, maybe.
Okay.
It's too easy, you know. What's going to get you guys?
Yeah, I'll have a Coke and
Garlic bread. This is Italian. They have pasta here. Seafood linguine. Fresh mussels, clams, white wine sauce, and tomato. 18 euros. Beef lasagna, 18 euros. I don't want a dinner. I want a small meal. Sun is still trying to come out. That's how my mother would describe it. It's trying. Some shadows you can see. Sun is trying to come out. We'll find a perfect place, I'm sure. This is the Casbah wine bar. See what they have here. This menu has soup of the day, chowder, Flaggy shore oysters, 6 for $12. Fresh Galway Bay mussels, peas, garlic, basil broth. Add chips. How many tables around?
Oh, sorry, I apologize.
I don't see a table. No tables. No tables outdoors, at least. Table table up here. I see a big table, but I don't want to take somebody's big table. This is a different restaurant, I guess. Or maybe. See if it's different. Today. Yeah, no, it's the same restaurant. Well, Gary's Tours fans, we're going to take a little break, have a snack, and then we'll finish this tour. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. And this is Galway on a partly cloudy day, partly sunny day. Our tour continues shortly.